Did you know that the global whey protein market valued at over $10 billion in 2021, and it takes roughly 720 liters of milk to produce just 10 kilograms of whey protein powder? The commercial production of whey protein didn't take off until the 1970s, when scientists discovered its high-quality protein content. Whey protein is sometimes added to unexpected foods like soups, salad dressings, and even bread. Before we get into the process, how many types of whey protein powders are there? Let us know in the comments below. Fun fact, before whey protein became popular, it was often discarded or fed to chicken or pigs. The journey of whey protein starts with fresh milk, collected from dairy farms. This milk is first pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria. Pasteurization involves heating the milk to a specific temperature, ensuring it's safe for consumption and ready for the next steps in the whey-making process. Fun fact, pasteurization was invented by Louis Pasteur in the 19th century and is now a standard process in the dairy industry, not just for milk but for other dairy products as well. After pasteurization, the milk is sent to the cheese-making process. Enzymes are added to the milk to curdle it, forming solid curds and leaving behind a liquid called whey. This whey is the star of the show, packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. The liquid whey is carefully drained and collected for further processing. Fun fact, it takes about 200 pounds of liquid whey to produce just 10 pounds of whey protein powder. That's a lot of milk for a little powder. Once separated, the liquid whey is filtered to remove fats and lactose. This step is crucial to concentrate the protein, making it more potent and easier to digest. Different filtration methods, like microfiltration and ultrafiltration, are used to create various types of whey protein, including concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Fun fact, whey protein isolate is one of the purest forms, containing up to 90% protein with very little fat or lactose, making it ideal for those who are lactose intolerant. After filtration, the concentrated whey is then dried using a process called spray drying. This involves spraying the liquid whey into a chamber where it's exposed to hot air, evaporating the moisture and leaving behind a fine protein powder. Fun fact, the spray drying process can produce up to several tons of whey protein powder every single day, making it one of the most efficient methods in the food industry. Before it hits the shelves, the whey protein powder is mixed with natural or artificial flavors, sweeteners, and sometimes additional nutrients like vitamins or minerals. It's then packaged into tubs or single-serving packets and undergoes rigorous quality control tests to ensure it meets industry standards for purity, taste, and nutritional content. So what would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. If you enjoy behind the scenes and factory production, make sure to our last video about the cheese and coffee journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.